Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, June 14th. Today's Zen story is titled Everything is Best. In a bustling village, nested along the rugged coastline, there was a humble shop where an old fishermonger named Taro had sold his catch for decades. Each morning, villagers gathered as he arranged the fish upon his wooden stall, their silver scales gleaming in the sun. No matter what the day's catch brought, large or small, common or rare, Taro always placed them down with the same words: "This one is the best." One busy afternoon, as the sun hung high in the sky, a skeptical traveler passing through the village stopped at the stall. He had heard of Taro's peculiar habit and decided to test him. "Old man," the traveler said, picking up a small fish, "surely this is not the best. Look at this one here. It is much bigger, much fresher." Taro wiped his hands on his apron and smiled. "That one is the best." The traveler frowned and pointed to another. "Then what about this fish?" "That one is also the best." Frustrated, the traveler crossed his arms. "How can they all be the best?" Taro simply continued arranging his stall, his hands moving with practiced ease. "If I rejected one, I would be waiting forever for something better." He gestured to the ocean beyond the village. "The sea does not judge what it gives, nor does it wait for the perfect wave." The traveler stared at the rows of fish, then at Taro, and finally at the endless sea. He stayed silent. Taking a deep breath, he bought the small fish he had first held, feeling its weight in his hands. The waves continued to roll onto the shore, neither better nor worse than the ones before them. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes gently and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. Thoughts may come. Let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. How often do you delay contentment by searching for something better? How often do you delay contentment by searching for something better? What shifts when you accept each moment as it comes? What shifts as you accept each moment as it comes? And now let's do a little experiment. Pick up any ordinary object near you and say, "This is the best." And notice how your mind reacts to that. Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections and also check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.